Hi, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Helldivers 2 unable to establish a connection to a game error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is just don't use any recording software. So players before use or they use GeForce experiences overlay to record the video. Say they tried it multiple times and whenever they record a video, they cannot get a multiplayer game. So that's another fix that you can try. Just make sure that you are not using recording software, at least not GeForce experience when you attempt to quick play. So once you land on the planet, you can record the game. The next what you can do is to restart the game. So sometimes a simpler restart can work wonders in resolving connection issues. So just close Helldivers 2 completely and relaunch it to see if the problem persists. The next what you can do is to disable the IPv6. So IPv6 can sometimes cause connectivity issues with certain games. So to disable it, you're on your Windows, just go to your network and sharing center and then change the adapter settings. Just right click onto your network connection and then go to the properties and then just uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6 and click the OK button. And that's it for the third fix. And then lastly, what you can do is to disable crossplay. So crossplay functionality may sometimes interfere with the game's connection process. So to disable the crossplay, just go to the game settings and then navigate to the crossplay option and then just simply toggle it off. So that's it for this video. Those are troubleshooting steps that you can do to fix the unable to establish connection to a game error on Helldivers 2. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.